Okay, so I just cut my Grands Originals into fourths, and we're gonna place 2 of our fourths right into our muffin tin holes, just like that. So just cut it once, twice, 3 times, so we have a half a biscuit in each of our muffin cups, just like this. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some pre-cooked sausage crumbles, and I'm gonna do a nice spoon in each of our little muffin tins on top of those biscuits. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious breakfast. It's just a few ingredients, and it's gonna be so good. You guys just wait until you see these all cooked up. Those biscuits are just gonna puff up and be delicious. You have to only put half a biscuit in there because they do puff up a lot, and if you add more, they'll just go insane. All right, so get some sausage crumbles in each one. Looks like we're gonna have lots of extra sausage, so let's just, be generous with this. We like meat here, so we are gonna add the meat. This is looking so good. I'm using the spicy sausage, but you can use whatever sausage your family likes. All right, that's looking good. Now I'm gonna grab some medium cheddar, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on the top, just like this. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good, you guys. Okay, just a nice little cheese crust on each of these. Quickly fill these up because our oven is ready and I am hungry. Okay, just a few more here, and you can use whatever cheese you like. I'm just using the cheddar because I think it complements the sausage and the biscuits real nice. I'm using Tillamook as always. You guys know it's my favorite cheese. All right, almost done here. Last one. Perfect. All right, and you guys know it's a breakfast, so you know what's coming next. I have 8 eggs here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some seasoning to our eggs, some black peppercorn. You only need 8 eggs because that's gonna be the perfect amount to fill up our 12 muffin holes. And then I'm gonna add some pink salt right in there. Okay, and then we're gonna give this a good whisk. Now you could totally just put the full egg right on top if you don't like scrambled eggs, but I think the scrambled eggs just works the best because all that liquid will seep into the biscuits and you'll just get a full little egg biscuit bite. Okay, so almost scrambled. I'm not gonna add any milk or anything extra to it. It's just gonna be eggs. Perfect. Okay, once your eggs are fully scrambled, now it's time to pour it into our muffin tin. I'm using a silicone muffin tin. I did grease this prior, and now we're just gonna, just like that. That might have been too much. Just a little drizzle, just like that. Don't go crazy. Perfect. All right, see, 8 eggs was just the right amount. Now my oven is set to 350, and these are gonna cook for about 40 minutes. Look at these. Oh my, they look so good, you guys. All right, best part about this silicone mold is they just pop right out just like this. You see how easy that was? Woo, okay. So easy, you guys. I'm so excited to try this, but it's not ready to eat yet. I have some Pioneer gravy that I just mixed up real quick because this is a biscuits and gravy breakfast. Oh, just smother it. This is the best packet gravy out there. Okay, time to give this a nice taste, you guys. Oh my, I'm so excited. Okay. Whew. Gravy's nice and warm. Oh, the biscuits are cooked perfectly. This is gonna be a good bite. So good.